This video explains the process of downloading, identifying your computer, activating the trial license, and demonstrates the installation process. Step 1. Download JCMsuite. Step 2. Install the package and supply your email. Step 3. Receive the activation key. Step 4. Activate the installation. Let's demonstrate this process. Go to JCMWave's homepage, click the Download Free Trial button. This brings you to the installation guide. Click, and you can select the current JCMsuite version, either for Windows or for Linux. Fill in the CAPTCHA field with the letters you see in the image. Press Enter to start the download process. Go to your download folder, and start the installation procedure. You have to accept the license conditions. Then you must choose the kind of installation, here for a single computer with a personal installation. The installation process may take several minutes. Next, you have to activate your installation. If this is your first time of activating JCMsuite on this computer, you must request a license, either a demo license or a commercial one. Here, we request a free demo license. You must supply your email address, and will receive your license key immediately. Allow for an internet connection to JCMwave's server. Open your email and copy the activation key. Paste the key into the command line and start the activation. Eventually, allow for an internet access to JCMwave's server. This finishes installation and activation. Thank you for watching. For further details, look at our online docs or contact our support team.